Control tower, come in! We have a problem. One of our wheels won't come down for landing. Control tower, do you copy? Hey, Catboy, you're working in the control tower. You're supposed to help the airplane, right? Silly, I can't do anything. Why not? The lady is sleeping. Here. The pilot is freaking out, and the roof just came off. The pilot is gone. He blew away. There's only one. Oh, she just woke up. Oh, what a good nap. Catboy, she woke up too late. She just blew up the whole airport because she was sleeping. She woke up a second too late. Catboy, you ruined everything. No, I didn't. Now they have to get a new plane and new pilots and a new wheel. Let's fix this thing up. There we go. Flip. Catboy, if you worked at a control tower, I don't think I'd fly in airplanes. You should look for a new job. Fine, I'll work security. Okay, my guy's ready to go on the plane. No, he has yogurt's bag. Yogurt? I can't fly with yogurt? What's wrong with yogurt? You spill it when you eat. Go up and then fill all the ceiling. Fine, can my girl get on the plane? No, she has water. What is wrong with water? You spill it on the ceiling. Dog. You can't work anywhere in the airport. Can you fly a plane then? Yes. Okay, here you go. Do I have a pilot? Yeah, you have 2 pilots. That might go better. Oh boy. Okay, no passengers just in case. And you wouldn't let any of them get on the plane. Go fly. No, you can't work anywhere. You just blew the whole plane up in a huge fireball as big as the doors and oh boy. I think I should just plant boxes instead. Good idea, no jobs for you. Only plants. Pick-a-ma! Over here. Pick-a, this is fun! More fun than crashing airplanes. Ow. Yeah. Maybe you shouldn't work in boxes.
The toys used in this video are from the Playmobil City Action Playsets. First off, I'll show you the airport. The airport includes 5 different Playmobil little figures, and there's so much to do here in this one section. And there's also the control tower. First off, you can walk through the doors and go through security. This lady just finished up going through the scanner, and this man is picking up his bag. There's a sticker to show the contents inside his bag, and it looks like he just has some shoes, an alarm clock, clothes. Yep, everything's safe. When no one's going through security, the TSA agent can sit down and relax. Now over here, there's another desk, and this is where you can pick up your luggage. This lady has a lot of luggage, just the way I like to travel. Now here is the upper floor of the control tower. There are 4 different computer screens, some microphones, so you can talk to the pilots on the airplanes, then some radio antennas. There's even this observation deck. And look, a step to get up into this area, the control tower. This lady has one more bag to pick up, and whoa, it's heavy! Oh, I guess she packs like me when she goes on a vacation. Now it looks like somebody's waiting for their airplane. Where in the world is it? Oh, there it is! Whoa! That's so huge! So here's the engines, the tail. And over here you can open up this compartment. Whoa! And your luggage goes inside. This is definitely cool. And you can close it up. There we go. Now you need to board the airplane. Now be careful when the door is opening. And oh, it looks like during the last flight some contents moved around. There's some food and cups. Whoa, let's clean that out. There we go. And welcome aboard. So we'll open this up. And this playset came with a pilot and co-pilot. I think the pilot and co-pilot look awesome. And then there's a cockpit. And there are seats for the passengers. This flight does have a beverage service. There are some cups, and you can actually place the cups right here inside so they don't move around during takeoff and landing. There's also some juice. There's orange juice, and then there was apple juice and tomato juice, and they fit right inside over here. Well, everybody, I rate this airport playset and airplane a 5 out of 5. They are really cool, and I love all Playmobil toys. They are well built and very creative.
Hey everyone, have you been on an airplane before? Write it down in the comment section, and you like and subscribe. Right if you crashed in an airplane. PJ Masks is getting so popular. Everybody wants to be PJ Masks like us, but no one could be like me, the real Gekko. Did someone call for Gekko? Gekko, you're not the real Gekko, are you? Yes, I am. No, you're a fake. You got a Halloween costume? I'm the real Gekko. I have super Gekko muscles. Okay, then lift that. This. I could do better than that. You're an imposter, not the real Gekko. Show me how you lift that. Super Gekko muscles. That's not as tall. I'll show it. Then. My turn. Now you see I'm the real Gekko. I don't know about that. Gekko! What? Gekko! Another fake Gekko! Gekko! You're totally not the real Gekko. The only thing you have going for you is that your tail falls off like a real Gekko. You're not the real Gekko. Your tail doesn't come off. Yours doesn't either. Maybe this is a real Gekko. We should test it. Can you do Super Gekko camouflage? Now say Super Gekko camouflage. Gekko. Gekko. I don't see you. Come back. Super Gekko camouflage. Are you serious? I'm just faking that one. I'll do a real one now. Super Gekko camouflage. Hey, you slid down there. I'll show you how it's done. Super Gekko camouflage. You see me? Ta-da! Guess I'm the real Gekko and he's the real Gekko too. Not you. I better go. Man, I wish I was the real Gekko because I am. Like and subscribe. Why? don't think I'm a good driver. Let's see how a steering wheel. I told stars. Ooh, it's Hannah. This is a close camera. Where the back is stuck? Gekko's coming up to play with me. Well, there's no slide. I'm gonna slide. Catboy. Oh, you want to get up? I can get up. Let's skate. Anyone, get set, go! I win! I think I won. I don't think you won. I won. Let's try again. Silly, you lost. No? Yeah, it's time. Let's speed. Get set, wait, go! No. I didn't even say go. You really disqualified. Anyone? Get set, go! No. I win. No, I went down first. Catboy, you keep saying you won, but you didn't. Let's play something else. Let's play on the truck. I'll be his driver. Oh, you bad driver. Ow, what are you doing? What are you doing? You're not even in? Oh, we're going to crash. Run before you're the one to get hit! Look, we're in jail because we crashed this way! Super Gekko muscles! That's the easiest jail I ever broke out of. And the first one. Of course I say. This is kind of better than the last one. But where are the toys, Catboy? Let's just stay at the person one. Look, a dolphin. Like a cat. Look. Why is a big cow? Why is that? That's slow. AllToyCollector fans, what do you like most out of the park? I like the slides. Write it down what you think is fun in the comment section and watch my videos. Gekko will never slip. Gekko will always slip.
Hi everybody, it's Valerie here from the AllToyCollector channel with Catboy and who's over here? Gekko! Hey! And we have a really cool vintage Fisher Price play kitchen. And a cooker. Cool. What do you want to cook for us? And we're gonna cookie.
Hey Catboy, come and cook in my kitchen. Catboy, wash your head first. Are you getting a drink? I'll make some fish fries. Yummy. I'll make something fish or a waffle. Wow. Okay, it's done. Here, Catboy.
So let me show you this really cool play kitchen. Right now, oh, there's some hot water. Right now, Catboy is washing off a hamburger. And there's a cool little McDonald's Happy Meal toy. Oh, wow, it's a dinosaur. What's down here? Hot? Yum. So over here, there's an ice machine. Oh, and some dishes. We can fill this up. And what's over here? Oh, a dishwasher. And up here you can clean the sink out. And then on this side, it looks like there's a clock, a radio. Then I have a cookie. Put it in the toaster. Whoa, it actually goes down. And pop. Do you want a cookie? Yes, yeah. Yummy cookie. And we have the burners here. We can cook some french fries, not the truck. And then there's the oven. We're cooking some healthy vegetables. Green beans, corn, and carrots. Oh, you got some water. Now let's see what McDonald's toys we have. Whoa, there's tons of McDonald's food. French fries, hot cakes, which I think are pancakes, hamburgers, milk, and look, a chicken nugget. And all of these change, they're transformers. So there's dinosaurs and robots and more dinosaurs. These are pretty cute. Well, AllToyCollector fans, I was wondering, do you like this play kitchen or do you like the new type of play kitchens more? Write it down in the comments section, and also remember to check out more videos by AllToyCollector.